Hello students, I am Zani sir from Modi English School. This video is for class 2, subject science. Let us read the thought for today. There is no elevator to success. You have to take the stairs. The content of today's video is lesson number 7, house and clothing. Revision of the previous video. What we have learned in the previous video, we will just revise that very quickly. Solution to the textual exercises. The exercises which are given at the back of the lesson, which are to be written in the fair book. So we will solve that exercises. You have to read it with me, you have to understand that exercise, and then you can write it in the fair book later on. But right now, while watching the video, you have to write one time in your rough book. So let us begin. So, house and clothing, lesson 7, that we were learning. We have completed that. Let us revise about the types of the houses and the clothes that we wear. We have done in the previous video. So here you will not write anything because this is the quick revision of the previous video. When you have to write, I will let you know. Types of houses. So in this lesson we have learned about several types of houses. First thing we had learned, that was about Pakka house. What is a Pakka house? People make different types of houses. Houses made of bricks and cement are called Pakka houses. Then we had learned about Kacha house. What is a Kacha house? Houses made of mud and straw are called Kacha houses. After that we had learned about igloos. What are igloos? Houses made from blocks of ice are called igloos. Then we had also learned what are temporary houses. So what are they? Some people keep moving from place to place. They build houses that can be moved from one place to another. Such houses are called temporary houses. Most houses are around us which cannot be moved from one place to another, and this type of houses are called permanent houses. They are permanent. Next, then we had done the exercise, circle the odd one out. I hope you have written it one time in the rough book as given in the homework. Then we had learned about the clothes that we wear. Clothes protect our body from heat, cold, wind, rain. We wear different types of clothes in different seasons. We wear cotton clothes in summer and woolen clothes in winter. Then we had learned about the keywords. Very important it is from the exam's point of view. Please pay attention. Pakka house. A house made of bricks and cement is called Pakka house. Kacha house. A house made of mud and straw is called Kacha house. Igloos, house made from blocks of ice, are called igloos. Caravan, a house on wheels is called caravan. Tent, a tent is a house made of thick cloth or plastic sheet. Then we had learned the summary. Houses are made of bricks and cement, stones, wood, straw, etc. All the images have been shown over here. Houses on mountains usually have sloping roof. In areas with heavy rainfall, houses are built on slats. Caravans, tent and houseboats are temporary houses. Permanent houses cannot be moved from place to place. So that was what we had done in the previous video. Let us continue with the textual exercise. So students, now on the new page you will give today's date and day, and you will write name of the lesson, house and clothing. Today we are learning the notes of the lesson. Notes of the lesson means the notes which have to be written in the fair book. So please write this one time in the rough book as of now while watching the video. Later on when the PDF is sent, you will be writing it in the fair book. But right now, please see that you write in the rough book. Houses and clothing. Now let us see what is the first topic. Hard words. The difficult words that we have come across in the lesson, that are the hard words. There are some words which are related to the words given in the lesson. So even that words we will take. Number 1. bedroom. Bedroom. This is the bed and here is the room. So together we say it is bedroom. We see bedroom in our house. It is the place where we sleep. I will speak the spelling thrice so that you can write down along with me. bedroom. 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 Here is the bed sheet. This is the place where we sleep. Next, number 2. kitchen. 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 It is the place where the food is cooked. That is the place inside the house. The food which is cooked over here, we eat. kitchen. Kitchen. Next, number 3. bathroom. 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 The place where we take shower. The place where we take our bath. It is called bathroom, where we get freshen up. I hope you are writing the spellings in your notebook. Number 4. Write in the new line dining. Dining. Room. 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 dining. Dining room. The place where the family sits and has the lunch, dinner, breakfast. That place is dining room. Write down number 4 in the new line. Number 5. heat. 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 The clothes protect us from the heat of the sun. The sun rays is the heat that we get. heat. Heat. Then in 6th line write down PUCCA. Pakka. PUCCA. Pakka. That is Pakka house. We had learned house made of bricks and cement is called Pakka house. PUCCA. Pakka. Next, number 7. KUTCHA. Kacha. KUTCHA. Kacha. We had learnt in the lesson a house made of mud and straw is called Kacha house. It can fall down easily, but Pakka house cannot fall down so easily. Next, number 8. PERMANENT. 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 So we had learned that most houses around us cannot be moved from one place to another, and these are called permanent houses. we had learnt about the permanent houses, the buildings around us, the Pakka house are the permanent houses. Then number 9, CARAVAN, caravan. CARAVAN, caravan. That is the house on the wheels. House on the wheels, that is caravan. And which kind of house it is? It is a temporary house that can be moved from one place to another. Number 10, IGLOOS, igloos. IGLOOS, igloos. IGLOOS, igloos. What are igloos? The house which is built with the blocks of ice, that is igloos, found mostly in the cold places. And the person who lives in it is an Eskimo. Next, CEMENT, cement. CEMENT, cement. CEMENT, cement. So we had learnt in the topic the houses are made of different materials and people use different things to build houses. In that, first one is cement, that is the material used for building the house. Next we have BRICKS, bricks. BRICKS, bricks. What is it? That is also the material used for building a house. BRICKS, bricks. We may find the bricks lying around anywhere outside on the road. It is of red color. Then number 13 we have BLOCKS, blocks. BLOCKS, blocks. The blocks of the ice that you might have seen in your house. And blocks of ice are also used for making the house. As we have seen, igloo, that is the house made from blocks of ice. Next, SLOPING, sloping. SLOPING, sloping. Sloping means slanting. The types of the roofs in that we had studied, the houses have sloping roof, and the houses in the mountains are the houses with the sloping roof, so that the water will not accumulate over there, it will come down, sloping. Number 15, TEMPORARY, temporary. TEMPORARY, temporary. We had learned about some temporary houses like houseboat, tent, caravan. So the houses in which we can move it from one place to another place, that is called temporary house. It is not permanent. It is exactly opposite of permanent house. Then next one we have multiple choice questions, MCQ, multiple choice questions. So I want you to write down this. I hope you have written all the 15 hard words, and after this you have to give the sub-heading of MCQ. MCQs will also be asked in the exam, so please do write the answers. Number 1. What does a house protect us from? A house protects us from so many things, right? So what does a house protect us from? Options: heat and cold, wind, rain, or all of these. A house protects us from heat and cold, wind and rain. A house protects us from all these things. So, option number D is the correct answer. All of these. Please do mark the tick. Do tick the answer that is correct. The house protects us from heat, cold, wind, and rain. Then, number 2. Which of these materials do we use to make a pakka house? Which of these materials do we use to make pakka house? Cement and bricks, mud and straw, cloth and plastic sheet, or all of these? Now, pakka house is a house made of bricks and cement. That is the definition of pakka house. In that itself, the words which are given are bricks and cement, because the houses which are built with mud, straw, cloth or plastic sheets, that are temporary houses, that are not the pakka houses. So pakka houses are made with these two things, that is cement and bricks. Cement and bricks are used for making a pakka house. Please do write the correct answer along with the sentence. Next one, number 3. Which of these roofs will help to slide off snow easily when there is a region like mountain and the roofs are made in such a way that the water will slide off easily or the snow will slide off easily? Which kind of roof is used over there, so as the water and the snow will not accumulate at the roof? That type of roof is sloping roof. We just studied in the previous topic. Sloping roof is a slanting roof used on mountain regions so that the water or the snow will slide off easily. Flat roof, high roof, sloping roof, or none of these. So here the option, that is option number C, is the correct option which I have marked, and also it is highlighted. Sloping roof is the roof which will help to slide off the snow. Next, number 4. Houses made of blocks of ice are called dash. Houses made of blocks of ice are called dash. What are they called? These houses which are made of blocks of ice: igloo, hut, slit house, or tents. Is it igloo? Is it a hut? Is it a stilt house, or is it a tent? So this kind of houses found in the cold regions are called igloos. What are they called? Igloo. I-G-L-O-O. Igloo. The house made of blocks of ice are called igloo. Option number A is the correct option, so please mark it correct. Next, number 5. Which of these houses should we make in place where it rains a lot? Which of these houses should we make in the place where it rains a lot, where there is heavy rainfall? So much of rainfall is there in that place. So which kind of house should we build? Igloo, hut, stilt house, or tent? Igloo, hut, stilt house, or tent? So we should build stilt houses. What should we build? Stilt houses. That is option number C. And why should we build stilt houses over there? The houses with the stilt are called stilt houses. Over here you can see where my arrow is given. This is the stilt. And why is it called stilt? The pillar or the stick which is seen over here on which the house is standing, that is called the stilt. And because of this stilt, the house will be raised up. The height of the house is increased because of this stilt which you can see over here. And that is the reason the water will not enter the house, because it is built up on the stilt, that is the pillar or the stick which is shown over here with my arrow. You can see that. So that are called stilt houses. MCQ number 6. A caravan is a dash. A caravan is a dash. Is it a house on wheels, temporary house, both A and B, or none of these? What is a caravan? So, caravan is house on wheels. Over here, you can see the house on wheels, and that is also a kind of temporary house because a caravan can be shifted from one place to another place, and it is a temporary house. What is the spelling? Caravan, caravan. House on wheels, that is caravan. Next, number 7. Which of these is true about the clothes we wear? We wear different types of clothes. What is true about the clothes? A. They protect us from heat, cold, rain, etc. We need clothes to live. Wear different clothes in different seasons, or both A and C. So, what is correct? So, first one is correct. They protect us from heat, cold, rain, etc. Because in option B it is given that we need clothes to live, but actually we just need food, water, air to live, not the clothes. But clothes are used for the protection against these things. So, option number A is the correct option. So, I expect all of you have written all these 7 MCQs along with the correct answers in your rough book. So, now give the subheading. The next topic for today, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Do understand all the blanks properly because these things are to be written in the fair book later on. These are the fair book notes that we are discussing. Number 1. Houses in the plains have dash roof. Houses in the plains have dash roof. So over here it is given the roof. Which kind of roof it is? Is it a sloping roof? No, it is a flat roof. The roof of the house in the plains. Plain is an area where it is not hilly. Places that are not hilly, that areas, the flat areas are called plains. And in the plains we have flat roof. F-L-A-T, flat. It is a type of roof. Number 2, houses on the mountains have dash roof. On the mountain regions, as we just discussed, which kind of houses do we find? It is a hilly region. So we find the houses which have sloping roof. What is the spelling? S-L-O-P-I-N-G, sloping. S-L-O-P-I-N-G, sloping. Sloping means slanting, not straight, and slanting position. Number 3, people living in places where it rains a lot make houses on stilts. So the people who live in the area where there is lot of rainfall, they have the houses which are built on stilts. And where are the stilts? Over here you can see the stilts are given. Houses on stilts are like this. These white color pillars are called stilts. And especially in the places where it rains a lot, houses are built on what? They are built on stilts. Learn the spelling of both. R-A-I-N-S, rains. S-T-I-L-T-S, stilts. Next, number 4. Houses made from blocks of ice are called dash. The houses which are made from the blocks of the ice are called dash. I-G-L-O-O-S, igloos. I-G-L-O-O-S, igloos. That are the houses which are made from the blocks of the ice found in the places where there is extreme winter. Next, number 5. Houses that can be moved from one place to another place are called dash. The houses which we can move from one place to another place are called temporary houses. They are not permanent. It is exactly opposite of the word permanent. Which kind of house is it? It is a temporary house. Exactly opposite of the word permanent. Temporary. Learn the spelling. Temporary. 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 Now we have the exercise, that is name the following. You have to see the pictures, recognize and write the names in the blanks given below. So the first one over here of white color, what you can see, what is it? It is the house which is made from the blocks of the ice and it is found in the cold regions. What is that? That is an igloo. Let us write the spelling. So here is the answer, IGLOO, igloo. Next, what is this? This is the house on a boat. It is the house on a boat and that is also a temporary house. What is the name of this? It is a houseboat. What is it? It is a houseboat, a type of temporary house. Here is the answer, HOUSEBOAT, houseboat. First you will write the spelling of house and then boat. Together it will be houseboat. Next two we have the two other temporary houses we have. Which is this house of black color you can see over here? That is the house which is there on the wheels. That is the house on the wheels. And that is also a temporary house. It is a caravan. The spelling is CARVAN, caravan. CARVAN, caravan. Next, the last one to identify. This is the house which can be built with the plastic sheet or the thick cloth. The house which is made of thick cloth or plastic sheet, a temporary house used when people go for picnic or outings, that is called a tent. What is it called? A tent. TENT, tent. This is caravan and this is a tent. So these are the four houses that we identified: igloo, houseboat, caravan and tent. You can try to draw the images of these four houses. It is not compulsory, but if you want, you can draw the images of any two of these. So what did we learn today? We revised the content of the previous video. That is, we revised what we learned about the types of the houses and the clothes that we wear. We also revised the keywords and the summary. And in today's video, what did we do? We learned the difficult words, the hard words in the lesson. After that, we solved the textual exercise, that is, fill in the blanks with the correct words. Then after, we also solved the MCQs and name the following. So which are the important terms in the lesson? The keywords are pakka house, kacha house, igloos, caravan and tent. So it is your homework to write down the keywords and their definitions. Pakka house, kacha house, igloos, caravan and tent. You have to write the definitions of these 5 from the PDF which is sent in the group. Write down from the keywords which is given on page number 68. It is given in a green color box. So please write the definition from that box and in the rough book one time. Thank you for watching my video.